guys. Okay, so who wants to go on a glacier adventure, right? That's kind of how I see this painting today. So we're working with a lot of the same colors that we did last time. I did add in golden light phthalo blue to this one, and we are doing what I call a tube pour, but I guess other people might call it like a open cup, I guess. But also my doctors will be very proud of me because I'm using my lungs on this one. Lots of blowing, and I apologize, you can't see what I'm doing there. I have figured out a different camera angle to help you guys see when I'm blowing out my canvases, so my paintings. So I'm very excited about that. Anyway, so yeah, I decided to pull out my tube for this one because I wanted to see, you know, last one we did was a Dutch pour, so I wanted to see what these colors would look like when we did this tube. And I just really like how, you know, you just kind of twist it and then just kind of let the colors blend together, because the last painting, you know, we kind of let the colors blend together and then we brought that Amsterdam paint over top. Now I do apologize, my camera turned off. Luckily I caught it, so I was able to catch before the painting ended. But anyway, so now you guys can see how I blow out all my paintings without my head being in the way. This is the first painting that you guys don't see all my hair. I'm so excited. Anyways, so this is the wet reveal. Just the I don't know, I've been watching a lot of survival videos, and you know, where they go up on top of the glacier and they have to work their way down, and you know, there's water flowing underneath, and you know, ice and all that stuff. And it just reminds me of that. You know, you got the rocks that they have to work their way around, and then you have this music going with it. I don't know. Anyways, so I just really enjoyed doing this one. It's a totally different look, even though we used pretty much the same colors. So I'm glad I could help you guys with this one. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed. And it did give a lot of texture to it. I don't know if you can see that in the dry reveal, but we did get a lot of texture, which was nice. But check me out on Instagram, like and subscribe, of course, because I love you guys and I want to see you again. Comment below so we can spark up a conversation, because I love talking to you guys. And maybe I'll see you before next Friday. If not, you will have another video by Friday. Have a great day.